What is up, my friends? Goofy bastard, back at you. So today is officially the end of summer and the beginning of fall. I really hate to see the summer season go, even though the temperatures in the fall are much better, much more comfortable. You know, 75 during the day, 60 at night. It's perfect weather for riding. The only thing that sucks about it is I know what comes after fall, and it's that fucking white stuff that really screws up everything. So I just want to talk about how I personally consume YouTube, or watch YouTube, whatever, and the type of things I watch. Now, most of the stuff I watch on YouTube is motorcycle related or gun related. So, and a lot of the YouTube I consume, I do it just kind of listening to it, not actually watching it. So people doing motor vlogs and talking is very conducive to how I watch, listen, whatever you want to call it. If I'm home, I will watch YouTube on the TV, but a lot of times I listen to YouTube when I'm driving. For those of you who don't know, I drive a truck for a living, so I'd pop on a YouTube video, plug it into the radio, and stick it away so you really can't see it. So I can actually pay attention to the road while I listen to the YouTube. So things that are the motor vloggers, where they're actually talking or actually doing something like that, that works out for me better. Damn, everything's fogging up. So, I might watch some of the channels that do just ride videos, don't talk, while I'm at home, or while I'm downtime on my phone, or not driving, or whatever. But the majority of the ones I watch when I'm driving are people I know who do a motor vlog or podcasts. So I'm just kind of curious how you guys all watch it. I've heard of some people, God darn. I heard of some people actually have it on in the background while they're doing other stuff, while they're working or doing whatnot. So, but with me doing it while I'm driving, it passes the time. What's going on up here? Seeing some flashing lights. Flashing lights. What the hell's going on? What's this guy doing? Oh, damn. Looks like a car fire. Oh, wow. Exciting. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like nothing left of that vehicle but metal. Oh, there's an accident over here. Wow. All kind of shit going on down here today. Fun, fun, fun. I guess I've had my excitement for today. Would have been better for the video if it was actually on fire and there were flames coming out of it. So yeah, I'm kind of curious how everybody else consumes their YouTubes. Alright guys, so let me know. Until next time, my friends, you guys stay safe. Love one another. Peace.